Okay, so today we are testing a Magic Chef deep freeze starter relay. Problems is that this deep freezer is working fine, worked for like just about a year, stopped working. I started out my testing by removing, well actually I removed the cover so I could access the compressor and all the wiring inside here, and that cover here we're looking at, that covers the back of the power switch. And here you see the front is at 0, it's off, and first thing you want to do is disconnect the power line, which I already disconnect this from the back of the freezer already disconnect. There's no power inside this right now. So what I did some resistance testing right here. So I unplug this and these two leads, the brown and the black, and I checked my resistance across here while turning the switch. So you turn that switch from 0 to 1, 2, and your resistance should increase on your meter. I'm not testing right now, but I'm just showing you the steps you need to do. I also uses this tester to test volt in the circuit, and while I had it plugged in, I checked for power coming in at the blue wire here. It's gonna be a power, so I check for power coming in there. Against, you can also use the ground here or this black wire over here for your ground. Basically use this black one down here for your ground. See if I can show you. So this, I'm not sure what this is, but this you can test for your ground right there. This white piece you're looking at, this is the starter, this is the relay, and based on my testing, this is faulty, so we're gonna replace this today. And if you have a Magic Chef deep freezer that's not working, most likely this guy here is gonna be a problem. So one step I've leave out is that these cover here, this goes on the wire here, and you see the impression on the wire. Yeah, this was clamped to the wire right there, and this piece, 3 screws, this was covered over this. So this piece was covered up. They weren't exposed as you're seeing them right now. So I actually exposed everything so I could do my testing. And now, as I said, there's no power in the circuit, so I can go ahead and plug this. You want to take a picture of it so you can see where it was. That was at the top lead right there. This blue and brown wire was at the top lead right here. Took this off from there, and at the top here, well, you can actually go ahead and just work this out. You take this off, and here this wire come from that piece at the back, and once you take that off, then that wire is loose, and then here we go. So that's the starter relay. Now I went ahead and I bought this one online. It's different, a different number, a little bit different in the design. It doesn't have a piece on the top here as the one from the factory does, which houses the wire at the top, but I figure it can still work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this wire back at the top lead. So let me get some light in here so you can see better. So here, this top lead right here is where you want to push this wire hand to. So you want to work that onto the top right there. And because on the other one it was right there. And then you want to get this, line up these two holes in the starter. You line up these two holes in the starter right there, and work it on to that. And then there's a lip. See if I can show you this lip here. This lip right here on the back of this starter would actually pushes against this wire here that I put to the top and help to like seat it so it won't fall off. I guess that's how the design is with this one. Then you want to put back this lead here. You want to put back this lead right here. So let me go ahead and connect that. So there you go. So the top lead is coming from this relay, or probably another relay, whatever this is over here, goes to the top right there. So that's how it is over there. So now it's all connected up. You can go ahead and plug it in, test it. Since we have everything plugged in, we're gonna turn power on. There you go. You can hear the compressor running. Here you go, you can hear the compressor running. So this guy here was a problem. This guy here, it's not, there's no signs of it, no indication of it being burnt, doesn't smell burnt, there's nothing shaking inside of it, but this was a problem. I replaced this. This is called the starter, compressor starter, the motor starter, and there you go, it's working fine. So I'm just gonna button up everything back together. So this is how you replace your starter relay for Magic Chef Mini Deep Freeze. Thank you guys for watching.